Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Bitcoin mining and showing you how to mine Bitcoin using your very own PC. And in this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get those virtual shovels ready and start mining. Understanding Bitcoin mining. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly understand what Bitcoin mining is. Mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are created and added to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins. It's important to note that mining requires a significant amount of computational power and energy, so mining at home might not be as profitable as it once was. However, if you're interested in learning the process or contributing to the network, let's proceed. Choosing the right mining software. The first step is to choose the right mining software for your PC. There are several options available, both for Windows and other operating systems. For this tutorial, we'll be using which is user-friendly and suitable for beginners. Once the software is downloaded and installed, it's time to move on to the next step. Joining a mining pool. Mining on your own might be quite challenging due to the increased difficulty level and the need for a lot of computational power. That's where mining pools come in. Mining pools are groups of miners who combine their computational resources to increase their chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. Choose a mining pool that suits your preferences and create an account. You'll receive a unique worker ID and password that you'll use in the mining software. Configuring and starting mining. Now that you have your mining pool account set up, it's time to configure the mining software. Open the software and enter your worker ID and password. You'll also need to specify the pool's address. Once the configuration is complete, save the settings and click the Start Mining button. Monitoring and earning rewards. Congratulations, you're now mining Bitcoin on your PC. The mining software will start using your computer's resources to solve cryptographic puzzles and contribute to the network security. Keep an eye on the mining software's interface to monitor your progress. Remember that the rewards are distributed among all the miners in the pool based on their contributions. And that's a wrap, folks. You've just learned how to mine Bitcoin using your PC. While mining at home may not be the most profitable option, it's a fantastic way to learn about the technology behind cryptocurrencies and contribute to the network security. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting crypto content. Thanks for joining us, and happy mining!